First.
Hey, get set.
First one to clean
Go.
their plates.
Go.
This is gross. Ew, I don't. It's gross. I don't want it.
Ryan, you're winning.
Eat it! Go! Fluff! Be professional fluffers!
Suck.
That's so wrong.
Got it. Yeah.
Fluff!
This is really gross.
You're using your hands, Hope! Can't do that.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the wet spot.
He's holding the plate.
Ryan, come on, man. Don't disappoint.
Suck it up.
I'll let him win.
Come on.
Whoa.
Get it.
Hey,
Get at it.
You can do it.
Yeah.
What are we eating?
Fluff.
hey, just because you lose don't mean you don't have to clean your plate.
Bull shark! I'm not cleaning this.
Just bull what?
You have to finish
How old are
it.
you?
You started it.
I didn't start nothing.
Strawberry!
Lick
Eat
it.
Rude. Ryan is the winner.
Winner!
Again!
Clean your nose! You got it all up over your face.
Rotate!
I